Tapas from Spain. Spanish cuisine contains the cooking traditions from all provinces of Spain. We particularly love the concept of tapas. In this way we could try many varieties during one meal. Watch this first episode of a series on Spanish food. The biggest thing you will notice about Spanish cuisine is that Spanish people mainly use fresh products and most of all seafood and have regional dishes. These elements combine to make up one of the most tasteful cuisines out of any country in the world. Anchovies with bread and tomato. This is a specialty here in La Scala, in the Costa Bravas of Spain. Quite different from the Dutch herring, but it's a good one. This is another thing you will see on the Spanish tapas. It's bread with tomato and some olive. It's quite salty. Little umami taste from the olive oil. It's a good combination, this one. In Salau we're trying some other tapas. This is croquetas de pescado with fish and seafood. Very soft crust. And these are just what it looks, chicken fingers. And very nice barbecue sauce. And some patata bravas, some potato parts, spicy sauce on it. Mildly spicy.
Good morning. You got here dry sausages traditional from Barcelona. That, for example, is the salami, you know? Different flavors, different tastings. Here you have natural ones. Another one, different flavors. Garlic, herbs, tomato, black olive, curry. Traditional that sausages with garlic, if you want to try a little bit, you know?
It's a good taste.
Yeah, really nice.
Very nice.
I have with black olive, also really nice. Black pepper, a little spicy. Red pepper with curry, different ones. Pata negra is different products, different animals. For example, that one is the pata negra. That one is a really ham. That pig is the black. That pig lives in the forest, wild condition, wild boar. Only eat acorns. Normal pig live in the farm. The best pig live in the forest. And the race of the pig is very important. Iberian race, Iberian pigs. Yeah, Serrano is from the white pig, not the black.
In Spain, tapas usually starts with green olives. With the pit still inside. This is a esqueixada, is a Catalan salad dish with olives, tomato, onions, some pepper and cod. And the cod is hand shredded. Because esqueixada means shred by hand. This is the cod, the salted cod. This is melon with jamón ibérica, with ham from Portugal and Spain. It has been hung to dry for several months. This is a real good ham. Try it when you're in Spain. For lunch we have some little snacks. This is not tapas, this is pinchos. And these pinchos come from Spanish Basque country. This is a toast with tortilla, toast with some cheese, toast with some crab and egg, and a toast with salmon. Pinchos, the Basque country, There's always toast, something on it, and a stick in it. But we use it for lunch right now. Delicious. We're in Tarragona, we're eating some more tapas. Croquetas with conceda. It's a local mix of cow and chicken. And here are just some chicken wings. Lekker. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and watch the next video.
Dream
Explore and
and travel with us.